Hey everybody, so we're just going to jump straight in. This is my wig that was pink and purple previously, but I did remove the color. If you guys are interested to see a video on how to remove hair dye from a 613 wig, then let me know by liking this video. So before I go in with the watercolor method, I am just going to be spraying the lace with Gots to Be spray, so that way the lace does not get stained when doing this method. Now you just want to fill up your bin. I'm using an old plastic drawer. Whatever you have works. I just wanted to have something clear to see the color in, so that I know what color it's going to come out to be. So you just want to fill it up about like halfway. Not too much, but not too little as well. Just like, I think halfway is a good number. I mean, oh wow, that's not a number. Halfway is a good mark to go for. So I used 3 colors to achieve this look: Kiss Crimson, Adore Paprika, and Adore Intense Red. I used most of the crimson. I used like probably maybe half of the paprika, and then I already only had a little bit of the intense red left, and I think I finished the bottle, so that was probably like about 1/3 of the bottle of the intense red. I really just wanted to mix the colors together, just because I wanted it to be not just some bland, you know, one color red. I wanted it to be like have a little bit of dimension, a little bit of undertones here and there that you couldn't really see unless it was in the light, or just like something to give it a little bit of oomph, you know. So you can use whichever colors that you wanted. The Gots to Be really did protect the lace from getting stained, so I highly do recommend you do that step. And then I just keep adding the color as I go, just until I get the desired color on the hair. Once it's like when I pull it out of the bin. So just keep adding slowly. Don't put all of it in at once, because you might end up with something that you weren't trying to get, and you won't be able to take it off easily. So I would just suggest to be careful. Please do wear gloves, you guys. I thought I was somebody and I wasn't. These are my nails, atrocious, but I only got a little bit of shedding, so that's great. Alright y'all, what's up, what's good? Okay, let's just get right into it. So one of my main secrets as to how I like to wear my hair under my wigs, first of all, let me just show you guys. I just have some straight back braids. I washed my hair like 2 days ago, and I just put these braids in. This is how I like to wear my hair under my wigs. It works for me. Do what you whatever works best for you. So as y'all can see, I have a black cap on. I used to really steer away from the black caps underneath the wigs. However, this material of the black cap is like kind of like a bonnety material. This is in the same section of the beauty supply as, you know, if you were to go buy a wig cap for your hair or something. And I've been wearing this for a few months underneath my wigs. I put on my cap. Let me grab it. All this stuff over here. I put on my regular wig cap over this, so that way, you know, the cap underneath is like flesh colored or whatever. But you guys, this is a game changer for me. I love it. My hair does not dry out like it used to when I would just put this on my hair. So I would highly recommend that you just, you know, get one of these. They're like $2, $1 at the beauty supply store, and it really makes a difference, you guys. It helps your hair stay way more moisturized than just this dry little cap. That's just my little 2 cents. So let me just put this on so that we can get onto the video. So this is how I like to put my hair under the cap. Under the wig. So then I just take this and I just slide it back, like to right about there. Like, I'll put this much of my hairline out. And I don't like to do the ball cap method just because it just doesn't, I just feel like there's no point to it, you know, because, wait, is this? Yeah, I'm tweaking, I'm sorry. But let's try to put this on. This is the construction of this wig. And this is actually my pink wig that I just had, but I wanted to have a red wig, so now we have red hair. And it's very red, like, my gosh. I wasn't going for something this bright, to be honest, but we're gonna see how it is. So as you can see the cap right here underneath the wig. However, like, once you put your concealer and stuff on, it doesn't really show. And that's why I push it back, because if I were to have it all the way up here, then it would be like all the way right here. But yep, this is how the wig looks before we put on our adhesive, which is going to be Gots to Be, because it's Gots to Be temporary. So yeah, this is just how I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna just let y'all like see what it do. But obviously, as you can see real quick, that this is a reinstallation, so I just like to put out the baby hairs just a little. And then there are a few holes in this wig because of like me plucking, and then also, I don't know, I forget how they got there, but you just want to be careful. It's thinner lace, so you know, you just gotta be careful out here. I'm sorry, I keep saying you know, but you know. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna stop. Y'all probably not even hearing me right now. I'm probably just talking to myself. So making sure this is laying correctly. This is a pretty color, I ain't gonna lie. We about to slay this, okay? We about to slay this, and we're gonna be right back, okay? Period. Alrighty, so I'm going to start the process of gluing it down. Well, sticking it down. I'm using the Gots to Be gel in the yellow bottle. I'm doing one layer. It's like a medium layer. It's not really thin, it's not really thick, but it's not clunky. So as long as it's smooth enough to lay the lace onto, you should be fine. Like I said later on in this video, the lace, like as you can see already, it kind of fits me weird. So it was doing that wrinkly thing that laces do sometimes. To avoid that, I just added like baby hairs in the front, but it might be avoided also if you had like actual like bold hold or ghost bond or something. But bold hold doesn't work for me just because my skin is super sensitive, and I don't have any ghost bond or anything like that. So, and I did try the Kiss Lace adhesive as well, like the Almighty Bond Kiss glue, but I don't like the way it like clumps together. It's like little flakes or something. I don't know. I just didn't like it. So this is me playing around with the parting. Like I ended up doing a middle part anyway, so just ignore this whole little part because this is irrelevant. But I decided to put the hair, stick down the lace with an elastic band instead of like a regular satin wrap, because elastic bands are stronger. So yeah, that was what I had on hand. And then I'm just adding a tiny bit of layers to the hair just so that when I curl it, it's not all flat. It looks like it has some depth to it or something, or just the curls fall better. So you can layer yours or not, but I like the way it looked after it was layered. So after removing the elastic band for the first time, now I'm going in to fix these baby hairs and fix like the front hairline, because obviously I look atrocious right now, but obviously we're gonna fix it. So it's just all a process. Just be patient and you'll get it done as long as you have the patience. If you don't got the patience, then pay somebody with the patience to do your hair. But if you want to do it yourself, then you got to be patient, okay? But anyway, yeah, so I'm just going to cut the sideburns and then just sleek my baby hairs and then tie my hair back down. Also, I am adding a bit of the Got2b spray for a bit of extra security, and then we're tying the hair down. Everybody, so this is the finished look. Put the hair to the front. I just like curled the bottom pieces. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. The front was giving me problems, so I added a swoop because the lace was doing that wrinkly thing. I don't know if you guys ever experienced it before, but it's super annoying. They say it happens because like the way they make the wig, it's not meant to be curved, so when you put it on, it just lays weird, which is unfortunate. But I still, you know, finessed it. We're just gonna work with it like this. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this color, recreate it yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.